Welcome back everybody. Today we are going to be turning a piece of stabilized maple bowl with some Alumilite resin and some Okinawa blue from Eye Candy Pigments, and today we're going to be using the negative rate cutters from Easy Wood Tools. So yep, let's get on and turn this thing.
Telling me you don't want any obligations and how you hate them. Don't call me just cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. No, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much and every single thought is making me give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleep.
Here's the rougher.
You're making me sleepless.
And the detailer, just to take a look off the bottom.
I keep losing in this game of playing pretend. I don't wanna be a forever.
There we go.
I'm suffocating just by waiting on you. So don't call me just cause you're lonely.
And now we're going to switch to the inside once again, starting with the #1 follower.
Maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much and every single thought.
Facing the top off first of all. And now we're going to start removing the inside.
Just cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly. Nah, maybe I'm yours, maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much and every single.
Right, there's the mini rougher. Just to flatten off the sides and eventually the bottom. There we go. And back to the #1 hollower, just to round off the bottom of the corners. I'll eventually move the light in a minute so you can actually see on the insides. There we go. Lovely bit of wood this is. Alright, so we're going to do most of the sanding already. So this is the 400 grit.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high.
There we go.
We going too far. I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about.
Clean the surface off with a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. There's links down in the description as to where you can buy this. There is UK and US distributors. Just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you'll have the equivalent of 1,000 grit. There we go. I'm going to take it one step further now and use Yorkshire Grip Microfine. Exactly the same process. You put it on and just keep buffing it in until you get a clean paper towel, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Microfine is absolutely fantastic for things like resins and plastics and things like that. Obviously you can use it on wood as well. There we go. There's some microcrystalline wax there from Hampshire Sheen. If anyone's interested in using any Hampshire Sheen products, there will be a link down in the description. Just wiping it all over, just to make sure we get nice even coverage. Nice and slow to begin with. And turn the lathe up to around about 1000 to 1200. Let the solvents evaporate. And then buff it in, not applying too much pressure that you take the wax off. So just nice even. And after you've done that, just leave it to sit for a couple of minutes and you're all good. There we go. Alright, we're just going to take the bottom off now. So I've got it set into the Easy Wood bowl drawers. And we're going to use the #1 hollower. Still using the negative rake cutter on here. Let's see the micro detailer, or mini detailer should I say. And checking the thickness of the bottom. There we go, we'll get to doing a bit of sanding now. I didn't notice that little divot in the bottom of the bowl until I put to the editing room, but I eventually went back out into the workshop and fixed that, so that's not there anymore. There we go. So that's the sanding done. Bit of methylated spirits just to clean all that out. As you can see, that divot looks pretty ugly, but luckily it's not there anymore. Bit of Yorkshire Grip.
She knows that she drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him.
There we go. That was the original. Little bit of Microfine. There we go. And finally some Hampshire Sheen Microcrystalline Wax just to finish it off nicely. Exactly the same process as the insides. I'd like to thank everybody for watching the video. Please give me a big old thumbs up. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies that you like. There will be some pictures at the end for you to see. And until next week, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy.